Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host as always, Cheese in a Tortilla. This is the world's first pizza vending machine in the state of Michigan. And it's in my hometown. It's a big one too. Very big. Alright. We're gonna try to go and get one right through the window here. Come on now. Alright, let's go. Let's just go pepperoni. Now we just gotta, there's that. Now I'm gonna share away so you can't see it. Your order has been confirmed and on its way. Would you like a receipt? Yes. There you go. I didn't even have to stop it. Take a look at it. We'll put it in the oven tonight. And there you go. Took me all of 2 minutes.